Gold and silver prices are exploding right now, and this is not a normal rise. In just a short time, gold has jumped to record levels and silver has surged at a speed we rarely see, shocking even experienced investors. Silver prices have risen tens of thousands in just days, while gold keeps making new highs almost every week. But here's the real question, is this just panic buying, or we are entering a completely new phase for gold and silver prices? Because if you misunderstand what's happening right now, you could either miss a big opportunity or get trapped at the top. So in this video, I will break down why prices are rising, whether this move is a bubble or a sustainable trend, and most importantly, what this means for you. Let's start with what's really driving this rally. This rally is happening because multiple forces are hitting the market at the same time. The first and biggest reason is global uncertainty. Across the world, investors are nervous. Geopolitical tensions, wars, trade conflicts, and political instability have made people uncomfortable holding risky assets. And whenever fear increases, money naturally moves towards safe assets, and gold has always been the ultimate safe haven. The second reason is central banks themselves are buying gold aggressively. Over the last few years, countries have been reducing dependence on the US dollar and increasing their gold reserves. When central banks start buying in bulk, it sends a powerful signal to markets that gold is not just jewelry, it's strategic money. Third factor is inflation and currency pressure. Even when inflation numbers look controlled on paper, the real cost of living tells a different story. When people feel their money is losing purchasing power, they look for assets that can preserve value, and gold and silver naturally benefit from that. Now let's talk about silver, because silver's rise is not just emotional, it's also industrial. Silver is heavily used in solar panels, electric vehicles, electronics, and batteries. As green energy and electric mobility expand globally, demand for silver keeps increasing while supply struggles to keep up. Finally, there's a psychological factor. When prices start breaking old records, it attracts momentum buyers, traders, institutions, and even ordinary people who don't want to miss the move. So, this combination of fear, fundamentals, and momentum is what's pushing gold and silver higher and higher, straight up to the moon. Now, let's address the most important question, should you buy gold and silver at these levels or sell and book profits? I mean, is this a bubble or sustainable trend? First, let's be very clear, this is not a typical hype driven bubble. In classic bubbles, prices rise mainly because of excitement, social media buzz, or speculative frenzy. But what we are seeing here is different. Gold's current price is backed by real demand from central banks, long-term geopolitical uncertainty, and currency-related concerns. These are structural factors, not temporary news events. That means gold may not crash suddenly, but it also doesn't mean prices will keep rising in a straight line. Short-term corrections are very normal. If you are planning to buy gold or silver just because prices are going up, that's risky. Markets don't reward emotional decisions. So what's the smartest approach? If you already hold gold or silver, there is no urgent reason to panic sell. But at the same time, this is also not the moment to go all in with fresh money. Now, I had really like to know your view. Do you think gold and silver still have more upside from here, or do you feel prices have already run too far? Are you planning to buy, hold, or wait? Let me know in the comments. I will personally read and reply to them. And if you want clear, unbiased updates on markets, money, and major trends without noise, subscribe to Trending Insights. New videos coming very soon, and I will see you in the next one.